how to stake tokens on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake tokens on Binance crypto website. So first thing we do, we go to binance.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. Now if you want to start staking, you have just to go to this option after your login, of course. Choose earn and then go to staking right here, click on stake, and here you go. Now you have those tokens that you can stake on Binance. You can choose the duration or the minimum locked amount. Here it's here, and choose whatever you want from here and just click on stake and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.